At extreme speeds, this train looks almost effortless. But behind that performance is a level of engineering few ever witness. Inside the factory, every detail is built to absolute precision. Behind every high-speed train is a level of precision engineering that operates far beyond what we normally see in motion. To understand how it all begins, we need to step inside the factory where every component takes shape from the very first stage. Raw aluminum billets are staged to ensure a stable supply for continuous industrial production. Automated handling systems move heavy plates precisely to improve efficiency and reduce manual risk. Spectrometer analysis confirms alloy composition to maintain structural strength and long-term durability. All materials are now prepared and verified, ready for the structural forming process ahead. High-pressure extrusion forms aluminum billets into strong, lightweight profiles with complex internal structure. Controlled cooling stabilizes the material and prevents internal stress before further shaping operations. Precision cutting and machining ensure each profile fits accurately within the articulated structural system. All structural profiles are now formed and prepared for the welding integration process ahead. Friction stir welding bonds aluminum without melting, producing strong joints with minimal structural distortion and stress. Automated welding ensures consistent seam quality across large panels used in the main structural framework. Non-destructive testing verifies internal weld integrity before panels move forward into full structural assembly. Welded panels are now complete and prepared for precise three-dimensional structural integration in the next stage. Precision assembly systems align floor and wall structures to build the foundation of the articulated three-dimensional car body shell. Advanced measurement systems verify geometric accuracy to ensure precise alignment for complex structural integration across the entire frame. Temporary reinforcement stabilizes the structure, maintaining dimensional integrity during handling and preparation for further integration. The three-dimensional structural shell is now complete and verified, ready for aerodynamic nose integration in the next stage. The nose structure begins as a reinforced steel cage designed to absorb loads and protect critical cockpit systems during high-speed operation. Lightweight composite panels are precisely fitted onto the frame, forming the aerodynamic profile while maintaining structural efficiency and rigidity. Critical cockpit components are aligned with millimeter precision to ensure visibility, sealing integrity, and long-term operational reliability. Integrated mechanical systems, including the automatic coupler, are installed within the nose to support functional connectivity between train units. The aerodynamic nose structure is now fully formed in its raw state, ready for final integration with the main car body assembly. Independent wheel sets are engineered to operate without a traditional bogie frame, reducing weight while maintaining structural stability. Each wheel incorporates a variable gauge mechanism, allowing lateral movement along the axle for seamless transition between rail systems. Advanced lubrication and material treatment ensure sliding components operate smoothly under extreme mechanical stress and repeated cycles. Rigorous testing systems simulate real gauge changes, verifying every locking mechanism performs with absolute reliability and safety. The fully assembled Talgo wheel sets are now prepared for integration into the articulated structure in the next phase. The articulated design connects adjacent car body segments over a shared wheel set, reducing overall weight while maintaining structural continuity. Precise alignment of articulation components ensures stable load transfer and consistent performance across all connected structural sections. Mechanical systems are secured and calibrated to maintain flexibility while preserving strength under dynamic operating conditions. The integrated articulation system is now structurally verified and ready for the installation of advanced onboard systems. Extensive wiring systems are routed through protected conduits to distribute power and control signals across all structural sections. Each electrical connection is carefully terminated and verified to ensure stable communication between onboard systems. Flexible cable routing through articulated joints maintains uninterrupted data and power transfer across connected segments. The electrical infrastructure is now installed and tested, providing the foundation for all operational control systems.
Lower slowly, maintain alignment.
Copy that, steady down.
Okay, she's seated, take the tension off.
Heavy roof systems are installed and sealed to ensure thermal control and environmental protection across all operating conditions. The pantograph assembly is precisely calibrated to maintain stable electrical contact under controlled simulated conditions. All roof systems are now installed and verified, preparing the structure for final surface coating and finishing stages. High-pressure jets remove dust, oil, and surface residue across the entire train body with consistent force. Critical areas are carefully masked to protect key components and ensure precision before coating begins. Robotic systems apply smooth coating layers, keeping thickness even across the full surface area. The coating is cured and inspected, revealing a clean, uniform, and fully protected exterior finish. The coating is cured and inspected, revealing a clean, uniform, and fully protected exterior finish. The completed train is secured onto precision testing systems for controlled dynamic validation. Undercarriage components undergo high-load rotation tests to verify stability and mechanical integrity. Advanced sensors monitor alignment, vibration, and system performance under simulated operating conditions. Every subsystem is analyzed and verified to ensure consistent performance across the entire structure. From raw materials to final validation, every stage of this train is engineered with absolute precision. Thousands of components work together as one unified system, built for speed, safety, and long-term reliability. What leaves the factory is not just a finished machine, but a fully tested solution ready for real-world high-speed operation.
NextGen Machine Works, building the impossible. Subscribe to join the future.